With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, use definition of linear pomentum from previous question. Can we state principle of conservation of linear pomentum for a single particle? Okay. So in the previous question we studied that we defined linear pomentum as product of mass and speed. This is how we defined linear momentum in the previous question. So now it is, and in the previous question we studied that conservation of linear momentum cannot be conservation of linear momentum is not always true, because in collision the sum of momenta, magnitudes of momenta does not remain constant. So we know conservation of linear momentum is not possible during collision. But now in this question it is saying if we have to decide conservation of linear momentum for a single particle, is it possible? Yes, it is very possible that in case of a single particle, conservation of linear momentum will exist. Why? Because for a collision they will require two particles, and there is no other condition where we will have a situation where linear momentum will not be conserved. Okay, so yes, in this situation linear momentum will be conserved because the particle is single and no external force is acting on it. No external force is acting on it. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.